Bullish smooth love mixture cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of 1 cent and 2 cents by 2030. Market experts accept SLP could reach $0 2025. Bearish smooth love elixir market cost expectation for 2023 is $0. Smooth love mixture presentation. With regards to play to acquire games, Axie limitlessness gets everyone's attention. As the main NFT gaming title to cross $1 billion in deals, it is credited for putting play to procure on the worldwide gaming map. Sky Mavis sent off the game in 2018, however it required off barely a year ago alongside the NFT Blast. Axie Endlessness was the previous summer's star convention, cresting at close to a portion of 1 million everyday dynamic clients. Axie Endlessness is a NFT-upheld play-to-procure blockchain game where players gather beasts known as axies and fight them with other players' axies. It uses 2 tokens in its biological system, Smooth Love Elixirs and Axie Endlessness Shards. Fundamentally, SLPs are procured by playing the game. In the meantime, Axe is an administration token that enables holders to decide on key choices like game functionalities and depository finances spending. Before we assess in the event that SLP would be a productive interest in 2022 and the next few years, we should backtrack a bit. We'll carefully describe the job and utility of SLP in Axie boundlessness biological system. Furthermore, we will cover the variables influencing the cost of SLP and what's in store plans of Sky Mavis. What is Axie limitlessness? Axie boundlessness support the play-to-acquire ongoing interaction model wherein players are compensated by just investing energy playing the game. Besides, the players completely own their in-game characters or things as NFTs. They can sell it, acquire from it, or use it for ongoing interaction. This isolates Axie boundlessness from the vast majority of the present customary close-circled games, where computerized things must be utilized in-game. It got to a place that the hindrance to section was too high in light of the fact that the expense for purchasing the 3 axies expected to play the game was cosmic. In the interim, there are financial backers and business people who can without much of a stretch shell out the assets expected to purchase axies, however don't have the advantage of time to play. This market hole impelled the grant in society programs. Through an Axie grant, the administrator or society purchases or gives the 3 axies that the player will use to play the game and procure SLP. They accept all the gamble to loan 3 axies to the new player. In return, they procure a portion of their player's benefit. The new clients play to procure an Axie endlessness permit their patrons to receive a portion of the benefit. For the unenlightened, the Ronin scaffold is a piece of the Ronin blockchain network, so it exists close by administrations like the Katana Decentralized Trade, the Axie Vastness Commercial Center, and the Axe Marking Pool. Its essential capability is to permit the exchange of resources from the Ronin world to the Ethereum world. Preferably, without it, you wouldn't have the option to move your SLP income from the universe of Ronin to the universe of Ethereum. So it's great that before the Ronin extension, we were at that point involving incorporated trades like Binance as a semi-scaffold to the rest of the world. When you got your SLP income moved over to Binance, you could do a wide range of things with it, including changing over them into pesos. It was a particularly well-known technique, as a matter of fact, that most of Axie players actually utilize that procedure right up till now. Smooth Love Elixir is presently worth $0. SLP has moved 4.63% as of now with an exchanging volume of $12,185,959. Smooth Love Elixir is presently positioned 244 among all cryptographic forms of money with a market capitalization of $113,929,108 USD. Using the general strength file, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal, and moving normal union difference from the diagram above, we can decide cost designs for Smooth Love Mixture to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation gauges utilize continuous Smooth Love Elixir market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost expectations in view of current market movement. Smooth Love Elixir Value Expectation 2023 Smooth Love Mixture, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing digital currencies to rise this year. The SLP cost conjecture for 2023 expects a huge expansion in the year's last part, perhaps coming to $0. Likewise with other digital currencies, the ascent will be progressive, yet no impressive drops are normal. Averaging $0 cost is very aggressive. However, it is possible soon given expected coordinated efforts and headway. SLP is supposed to have a base worth of $0. Smooth Love Elixir Value Expectation 2024 out of 2024. Smooth Love Mixture SLP cost forecast has a lot of space for extension. Because of the possible declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of SLP will before long outperform $0. Be that as it may, we ought to hold on to check whether the SLP's overall strength record emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, SLP will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $0, a typical exchanging cost of $0. Smooth Love Elixir Value Expectation 2025. Assuming that the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach $0. SLP might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. SLP is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $0, a low of $0 2025. Smooth Love Mixture Value Expectation 2026. On the off chance that Smooth Love Elixir effectively helps market feeling among cryptographic money devotees, the SLP coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, SLP will be green in 2026. The SLP is supposed to reach and outperform its record-breaking high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual cash will be valued at 1 cent, with a base cost of 1 cent and a typical cost of 1 cent. Smooth Love Elixir Value Expectation 2027. After some broad determining and specialized examination, we gauge the SLP cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of 1 cent by 2027, with a base cost of 1 cent anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, SLP has a most extreme value worth of 1 cent. Smooth Love Elixir Value Expectation 2028. Because representing things to come, organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around 1 cent. On the off chance that SLP figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a most extreme cost of 1 cent. Neglecting to assemble the help SLP needs by 2028 could bring about a low of 1 cent. Smooth Love Mixture Value Expectation 2029. While SLP is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to hurry association, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed, so the base exchange cost has been set at 1 cent and a yearly cost close above 2 cents in 2029. Smooth Love Elixir Value Expectation 2030. By 2030, Smooth Love Mixture will at last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost levels. The base cost could be 2 cents and possibly arrive at a most extreme value worth of 2 cents, averaging out at 2 cents. Smooth Love Mixture Value Expectation 2031. The digital currency market is known to be profoundly unstable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost gouging is a troublesome errand. Makes an honest effort to estimate future price tags with accuracy, but all expectations ought not be taken as monetary counsel, and you should DYOR. In 2031, we are anticipating that digital money should have acquired reception across numerous areas. Thusly, the greatest SLP cost in 2031 is projected to be 2 cents in case of a bull run, with a typical value level of 2 cents. What is the Smooth Love Mixture cost today? Today, Smooth Love Elixir is exchanging at $0, a complete market capitalization of $113,929,108. Is Smooth Love Elixir a wise venture? Smooth Love Mixture ended up being one of the most discussed coins in the crypto space this previous year. In light of this, it is shrewd to say that SLP is a decent decision of speculation. How high can Smooth Adore Mixture go? The typical cost of Smooth Love Mixture might